Yo guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to make chord progressions. Very simple. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, then also leave a comment in the description box. We're gonna do this right after the intro. Yo, the name is God Science, still the solution carrier, providing solutions to your problems. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Alright guys, we are in the first video now, so I'm gonna change the tempo to 100 bpm. Then let's start everything from scratch by selecting new from template, new template, empty, save, no. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is to change the tempo to 100 bpm. Then we're gonna go to the piano roll. All right, so guys, I want you to do a little bit settings here. Okay, so what I'm gonna show you is to go to the piano roll options here. Then we're gonna go to helpers, scale highlighting, and I want you to choose automatic. Okay, just choose automatic like that. Very simple. So you can see there's no highlighted or any dark notes here, nothing is showing. But the moment we start placing the notes, okay, that's where you see those interface changing. Okay, so we're gonna start with something. Let me use morphing. Okay, then we're gonna choose keyboards, and let's choose any sound, maybe go for this. Alright guys, so after changing the piano roll options, okay, changing your scale highlighting to automatic, just start by placing any note. Okay, so let's do that randomly, whatever that you want. By the time that you place the third note, then the whole interface is gonna change. Okay, so let's look at this. Okay, so now you can see the highlighted notes are those notes that you can play. Okay, so let's play the last one. Okay, so now these are the notes that you can play, okay, in your chord progressions. Very simple. So for you to add the notes, okay, for you to add the notes, if this is C, you can go to stamps, then choose from here whatever that you want. Okay, minor. Then what I'm gonna do is to delete this, then I'm gonna hit here. Okay, but after placing that, make sure that they are all in the same note. Okay, those highlighted notes. Okay, so you can see this one is highlighted, this one is also highlighted, this one is also highlighted. We're going to do the same thing for this one too. Okay, so we go back to here, then we select maybe major, then we're going to delete this, then we're going to hit that. Okay, then we go through, let's go through, we check, this is on the note, this is on the note, but this one is not on the note, so we're going to delete that and try minor. Okay, let's try minor, delete this, try minor. Okay, so you can see that with the minor, the notes are all in the highlighted section here. Okay, we're going to do the same thing here. Go to stamps, then choose minor, we're going to delete this, then place that one here. Then we're going to go through, everything is on the right note. Okay, so you can see this is highlighted, this one is not highlighted, so let's try major. Okay, so let's try major guys, then we're gonna delete it and place it here. Boom, you can see this one is in the notes, this one is on the key, this one is also on the key. Very simple. So we're gonna do the last one, J. You go here, then we choose from here minor, then we check if they are all on the key. Okay, very simple. So guys, now let's listen to the chord progression guys. Let's send it low octave. very simple, guys. All right, guys, so right now let's look at how you can add the bass to this. Okay, you can add bass, so you can see that when we move this one, they all moves in a section. Okay, so meaning they are grouped. We're gonna highlight everything by hitting control, then selecting everything, then we go to this piano roll option, group, then we go to ungroup. Okay, you can also hit alt plus J on the keyboard. Okay, so you can see right now you can move individual notes. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna show you is how you're gonna add the bass. So just press Ctrl and Shift all together, then select the root note like this, guys. Then we're gonna hold only Shift, drag, then we're gonna hit Ctrl plus the arrow down button on the keyboard to create a bass. Okay, so let's listen. Let me send this one to low octave so that I can feel the bass more. Very simple, guys. So what I'm going to show you is that you can even control the bass, the velocity for the bass alone. Just highlight it, hold Shift, then make sure they are all on the same level. Okay, very simple, guys. Send it to a low octave like that, then let's zoom in more. Okay, alright, guys, so what I'm going to show you next is to show you how you can make this chord progression more realistic. Alright, so we're going to hit Alt S to bring the strumizer, and we're going to play with the time here. Okay, so listen to what the strumizer does. So guys, that's what the strumizer does. Just take your time, then get what you want. Okay, just play with the time here, but don't overdo things. Okay, so if they are extending the outer line, then use this time to bring everything into the verse here or the session, whatever that you call it. Okay, then we're gonna hit accept. All right, guys, so let me show you how you can play around this chord progression. You can hold Control plus Shift, then select the middle note like this. Very simple, guys. Then we're gonna send them to high octave by pressing Control plus the arrow button up. Okay, to create this vibe. Very simple, guys. Let's bring them back. Control plus down. Okay, so guys, right now after getting this, you can add any note from here to support this. Okay, so just select any of the highlighted notes. If it sounds good together with the already made notes, then you can maintain it. Okay, so we're gonna choose any of the notes here. Guys, very simple, so you can keep on even adding whatever note that you want, provided they sound good together. Okay, so you can see you can see this off. So let's try. All right guys, I'm gonna delete them. Hit delete. All right, then let me delete this one too. Okay, hit delete. All right guys, so once you are okay with the chord and you want to turn this to melodies, what you can do is to go to the piano roll option here. Then you can use arpeggiate, okay, like this. Okay, so you can play around with the arpeggiate. Let's listen. Okay, change this. Then you can also select from the presets here. All right, you can also select from the presets here. Okay, so guys, if you want that, then you hit accept. Okay, then you can also chop them to whatever that you want. Okay, just go to the same tools, then use the chop option. Okay, then over here too, you can chop them. You see the chord progression has been chopped now. Then you can also choose from the presets here, guys. Alright guys, if you want that, then you hit accept. Okay, very simple. So guys, the next thing I'm gonna show you is to how you can control the velocity and the panning. Okay, so you can hit alt plus R, okay, on the keyboard. Then you can play with this velocity knob here and the panning, okay, whatever that you want. Okay, just to make your chord progression more interesting. If you like that, then you hit accept. Very simple. Okay, so guys, this is how you can make chord progression from scratch as a beginner. If you found this video to be helpful, kindly give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here, share the video as well, leave a comment. The name is Godson, still the solution career. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.